Good afternoon, DJ. It's Monday, April 6th. The time is currently, what's the time? 1:22 p.m. It is a bloody good afternoon, DJ. All right, all right, all right. I believe you can see my screen, DJ. Can you see the screen? Missed you this morning, but we got a little slight change of schedule. All right, we now stream live on Twitch in the mornings, 9:15. All right, so if you want to catch us there every morning, Monday through Friday, we'll be live on Twitch, 9:15 a.m. session. And then we come here for PM session. All right, just arrived at my desk when I started this. I'll say 1:22. It's always my weekly target now, all right, is 3%. All right, because my goal is 10% for the month. So trying to do a little less than what we usually was. We're back into live trading. Okay, so we're at 3% for the week. It's the same process when we're getting stumped on. Um, as always, yeah, my weekly target is 3%. Mental check-in, still under the weather. All right, I got a banging headache just now. As soon as I got up from the couch, oh, my head just started pounding. Still a little bit under the weather, but I'm here, feeling good, excited to see what price action has in store for us this PM session. Excited to continue to grow from the morning session. All right, bring into the PM session. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News. No news of note to mention going into a PM session, but we have news today. All right. Supposed to make an optimal day to take a trade, but it is post-holiday. Okay, so we're just tape reading for today. Even though we have news and it makes an optimal day, our procedure and protocol says that post-holiday we sit still. All right, so we're still in that tape reading phase. We did tape read this morning. We're also going to tape read this PM session. Um, Weekly program has not been determined yet, okay, because it's based on Monday's range. We haven't taken Monday's range yet. All right, so we're still no weekly program, but session bias has been established, and I think it's flipped from morning time to lunch, where we are in lunchtime anyway. But anyway, we digress and we progress. Let's go ahead and carry on. We don't do the dollar and stuff here no more. We can take a look at them and see what dollar's saying. So buy side, we trace back inside the range. We have a small inefficiency in here that we closed above. Another one here the price is currently using. Potentially take buy side, keep coming up here. So still risk off scenario, dollar higher. Everything else should be going lower for me there. All right, all right. Let's break down. I forgot to do this in the morning to break. Forgot to break down our trade that we taped red on Twitch, but it's all right. It was my first time, so bound to make mistakes. Anyway, this was the retracement setup that we watched this morning live on Twitch. We didn't trade it, obviously, because it's not optimal day for us to take a trade because post-holiday, as you can see, -3 would have been smashed. I was anticipating price here to get a continuation, didn't get that. Came down, took dealing range, sell side. All right, now our bias has flipped from buys initially because we took buy side, and now we're going into PM session in a sell program. All right, so now we'll be anticipating continuation sales. We're gonna go ahead and we already noted our draws on liquidity. All right, now this flips to Asia low down here, Asia low, and previous weeks, no, it's previous days low right here too. So this is now my draw on liquidity going into PM session. It was initially this, which we did hit, and obviously if price wanted to continue higher, this was my next draw. But we came out and we took dealing range sell side, which flips our bias from buys to sell. And -3 on that. All right, we got -2 confirmed here. Plausible deniability at 11:30. Entry stop would be at 0.5, and now would be at break even on that setup. Solid stuff. We did initially take a L. All right, we took a L here. on this setup, which looking back at it, it's not that clean, but it's still clean. And it had time too, so it didn't need it was fine where it was at. It didn't need to be a breaker. So nothing needs to be adjusted in terms of daily range yet. Okay, just know that we are in a sell program going into this. All right, we got retracement confirmed here. All right, so we can take a retracement setup. I mean, sorry, a continuation setup, DJ is what I meant to say. All right. In 2 minutes, we'll go ahead and well, we'll know our internal liquidity, all right, which is lunch session buy side, which is what we could potentially use for continuation down. We also do have previous week's high in close proximity there as well. We got a minute, less than a minute and some change on that to confirm. Just being proactive. Watched it live in the flesh. Sorry, DJ, I can't help it. This is where I'm at. I like the DJ's more like a relaxed version of what we did this morning because morning sessions now are becoming a training session into how we're gonna train our traders at the Trader Capital. Okay, so I kind of have to put on this, little show that I'm serious, I'm legit, I'm for real. Then it comes to DJ and I'm like, what's that? What's that? uh, First stream, it wasn't bad. It's gonna take some getting used to. I think I need to be more vocal on there. I can't have like too much dead silence. Okay, so I need stuff to like fill in the blanks when I'm like just looking at price action. PM session kicking off. So yeah, but all in all, it was good. I had my little brother on there. He was kind of obviously asking questions and giving me pointers, so it kind of kept the stream going. So I enjoyed that aspect of it. For my first stream, but it's only up from here, man. It's only up from here. Run over there to Twitch, follow me, all right? However that shit works. I'm the Trader Capital. We go live. New York AM session 9:15 kickoff. All right. We do a little preamble, a little training, then we get into the live charts and then we close the day out. All right. I like the setup over there. It's more serious, it's more like training session. While DJ is more like, you know, DJ is my daily journal, isn't it? I'm thinking now how I'm gonna post it. It's gonna have to be a different. Now it makes more sense on to post that into behind the scenes of building a thing and just leave the rest as DJ daily journal. But I'm just gonna leave them all the same, really and truly. I'm gonna leave them all the same. What's on about DJ? I feel like a long weekend, man, but it's only like, yeah, because Friday there was no trading there. And excuse me. Here's where I'm anticipating a continuation sales to form. Until then, nothing for me to do. I did it, yeah, I deleted it in there. Nice little retracement there. Live in the flesh. Yeah. I guess the start of every stream in the morning we'll discuss the trade. We'll do the trade breakdown, maybe if we have time. Should did the trade breakdown after. I did forget. Let's add that to the script here. So I don't forget next time, you know. So we do the review and then trade breakdown. We do a trade breakdown, then we'll close up shop. It's all right, you know, the more I do it, all right, obviously, the more the the script adjusts and changes, and I'll add and take away things, you know. So it's all new, it's all new, it's all new. We'll see we'll give Twitch an opportunity. If I need to go on YouTube and do the live on YouTube, I'll do YouTube. But for now, let's see what Twitch is saying. Just gotta be consistent in it, right? And see what it's about. Hmm. Uh, 8, 10, 11, 12. Of any more Coach games coming up. Get some agua. Don't know where my water bottle is, I've misplaced my water bottle. Excuse me. Woo! Nothing for me to do here, all right? Doing nothing is also a decision in the market. I'm not seeing anything. I'd want to see continuation sells from lunch session buy side, okay? Or from open PM session open range once it completes. But for here right now, where price is at, I got nothing. I got nothing. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with it. Did I finish? 150 macro, pop, 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 popping off. It is the inefficiency in itself. Oh my God. What did it do? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? I'm watching this here, okay, as a continuation. So easiness, 15-minute price presented fair value gap. Typically, I don't, right now, I'm not trading on the inefficiencies alone. I typically like to see liquidity there with it as well when it comes to the inefficiency. For internal liquidity here. Uy. Ay. Uy. Oh. Have F1C this week? What stage F1C? CPI on Friday. What? CPI on a Friday is the second time. Busy, busy week this week. Busy week. What's up, Birdie? Oh shit, nah. Ow. Nothing for me to do here. We don't have time. If you see the way they go fine, oh, you got me tripping like a fool, baby, you're mine, no doubt. Yeah. Another you mama. Maybe I could just take that screen off and it'll be a straight charts and then with the tiny piece of me somewhere on the chart somewhere if it needs to be bigger. That was one of the comments. Charts needs to be bigger. So the folks can see. I'm here looking for a continuation sell. All right. I would be anticipating that post 2:30 opening range, PM session opening range buy side or lunch session buy side here. Until then, nothing for me to do. Rock on, dude. Rock on. Eee. It just said, I'm taking back over. This is my screen now. Nothing for me to do, but still paying attention to price here, okay? Hmm. Hmm. Taking lunch. The chest. About to be go, 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 go time. I need to do this hair today and no lay off 100%. Think for me here right now, even if we do take this low at this time, all right, I'll need to see a breaker entry. And the only breaker entry I see is down here. So for the time being, this is the low I need to see go to be interested at this current time in price. Be taking it down here. Because this is the only low that takes a high. And the 30s, we only want to see entries as breakers only. Not interested in any of that right there. Waiting for confirmation. Oh. takes it, I'll be interested here. Until then, we wait. We do the hard thing. We do the hard thing, which is wait. Which is waiting. Doing the hard thing is waiting. That's what makes this job dangerous. The waiting. Following procedures and protocols, avoiding losses. We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it. Now this law now, I wouldn't mind getting an entry of that. Takes a high, takes multiple highs, trades back up into and through key level. So wouldn't mind an entry there. It gives it to us. Uh, mm, 250 macro. Excuse me. Now, babe. I want to pay attention to the chart, but ain't shit happening. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Ain't a goddamn thing happening. Not a bang. A minor low right here, but nothing too exciting for me to like jump in there. I would be interested in this one though. I wish it would all just come out, you know. Oh, I know what that is. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got less than 7 minutes for something to shake, and then if not, we add this bitch. And only just been a retracement set up today, turn reversal for us. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. All right. We take that low. I'll definitely be interested, DJ. Mm. Oh, feel good about it. Not that would be a trade for me, but like I like that it's not even panning out right now. I'm looking forward to it grabbing all this, especially this one anyway. It'll be one for my precision protocols. Less than 4 minutes to make some shake, E-mini. NASDAQ Index Futures, June 2026. Take this swing low. I'll be interested. Till then, nothing for me to do. Definitely going to be a wick management style here. And enough bodies up in here to do that, buddies. All right, right there. Right there, I would be interested. Most definitely would be interested. Not the best of ranges, right? Not the best of ranges here, but that's what we got. It meets the criteria. Not bringing my feelings into it. Seven contracts he gave us. See how it goes down. With 1 minute to spare, would be in there. No swimwear. Continuation sales. First, we have retracement sales. Continuation sales. It's been a sell day all day. For me, anyway, I didn't see anything in the buys. I'm gonna do a trade performance review in a little bit. Anyway, let's do it right now because we're done. This was it for us. Come high. I don't know how the saying goes. Something waters. That was the last. That was it for us. But anyway, trade performance review, DJ. What I did well today, is that I showed up. Right, I got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. Stuck to my procedures and protocols. All right, waited for the proper trade within the right time, right, to take those trades, and yeah, engaged in it. Didn't take this one because it wasn't the right time for this particular type of trade, even though still would have kept you in there, right? Still would have kept you in there still for now. You still would be in there. Still wasn't my setup, wasn't my entry. I waited for my entry, stuck to my position and protocols, didn't deviate from it. Yeah, very happy and pleased with myself and my performance today. Today was a sit still day, and that's exactly what I did. I sat still and watched the market do its thing. All right, and go 1% better for it. Where I fell short today would be, like I said this morning, if you wasn't with us, DJ, if you're watching this and you want to watch me live at work, I'll be on Twitch now, 9:15 kickoff on Twitch. The name is I'm the Trader Capital on Twitch. Follow me there. Watch me trade live, AM sessions, and yeah, it's like basically like a trading session where you get behind the scene access to my processes and everything that goes on in my head. All right, the system, in terms of when I come to the trade, my daily routine, my daily processes is just basically breaking it down for you and showcasing it right live in the market step by step. So if you want to join me there, once again, it's on Twitch. The name is I'm the Trader Capital. All right, I'll see you there 9:15 Monday through Friday, 9:15 kickoff. Anyway, so where I fell short today would be my wake up time and not getting my morning routine in chart wise. I think I showed up on both sessions and followed my procedures and protocols, did my job. All right, just another day at work for me right here, right now. And no, yeah, that's pretty much it. Chart wise, we're solid on chart on that. Hack and proof for next day, next trading session is just keep showing up, keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me from what I got going on here. All right. We're in the next phase of our progression. I think we've got a solid foundation in our processes and our procedures and protocols. Now it's just about maintaining that discipline and that consistency, right? Which I think I've been showing in the past couple of, you know, days, months, I would say. But yeah, keep taking small steps in the right direction. Eventually we'll get to our destination. We're gonna stay here a little bit. Let's see what this trade does. All right, if it takes us out, we out. If we get -1, we out. So let's see what it does. Let's see what it has in store for us. Solid day though, solid day in the market for me, I would say. I took an initial loss and then the next trade gave me -3. So, and this will be the third trade of the day that intrigued me. All right, that met all my criteria that I would have pulled the trigger on. I would have pulled the trigger on. Oh my God. It's the sickness, I tell you. It's just getting to me. It's been like back to back to back to back sickness. I don't know, man. I'm tired of it. Tired of being sick and tired and sick and tired of being sick and tired. This is me all night long, just can't even sleep, bro. Mad jarring. Do 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 do. 3:15. Last hour macros are about to kick off. They say, no, baby girl, we not giving you that. No, baby girl. You gonna end in the L over here, baby girl. Period. Hey, we ain't doing that over here. Y'all heard? Y'all heard? Y'all heard? Come on, then. Take us out. Do it, then. Do it. Do it. Coming up next weekend. Okay, so that's fine. All right, DJ. Ain't doing nothing. Ain't doing nothing. If it's worth mentioning tomorrow afternoon when we come back here, I'll mention it. But if not, I'll catch you tomorrow morning on Twitch. All right, 9:15 kickoff training session. That'll be it from us today. See what our schedule is looking like tomorrow. Yep, we got high impact news coming out. All right, we got news making an optimal day to take a trade. So we'll be here. Well, I won't be here. I'll be over at Twitch, kicking off at 9:15. All right. Until then, DJ, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading. Happy hunting. Psych. Bye.